Hey team, how you doing? Here's Jose with a demo for Index. So pretty much, for starters, we are up to the challenge that you sent us, and this is a little summary of how we find the kind of information that you're looking for. So first and foremost, we look for Green Mountain Coffee. We have the facility in Vermont. Okay, as you may notice, like that, we have all information from a little summary, the NICE code that it will falls under 31192, which is coffee and tea manufacturing. Then a timeline on the facility from when it started in 1978, 79 up to 2018, with all the information when it comes to expansion, acquisitions, and so on. Then, this is the good part. The quality permits, we have knowledge of how much they're willing to spend or they're willing to throw into the earth by producing this coffee. As you may notice, under quality permits, you have also the models and installations already have in their processes, the project evaluation by the time of the filing, which be also how much they're willing to spend or how much they're willing to manufacture by the end. This is a list of the equipment that is already existing in the facility. As you may notice, we have roasters from Scolari, we have other sample roasters from Probat, Derrick, MPE for the grinding part, and blending, which is listed into these kind of permits. Also, emission control equipment. As you may notice, we have a catalytic oxidizer, as you may see. Something quite good about this is that you can see the regulatory compliance on this file for how much emissions do they have as a limit of PM, CO, NO, and so on. So this is quite important for your use case because you, as a manufacturer of catalyst equipment, you really know how much you're willing to spend and how much they're willing to actually release into the atmosphere. So this is great. Also, you can see news articles for this specific company, and our platform will take you directly to those news, as you must notice. So this is something that actually gives you a lot of value in terms of knowledge and how much intel you're willing to put into the facility you're working on. Then going back to Index, we have companies. You want to make sure this is the right company, so you go click on OK. You have a brief of how many people is working on the revenue standpoint for the company, if it's a public company or not. Then you have employment data, as you may see. The roles are quite relevant for this company, the skill set, the regions they're working on, and so on. Then on the web traffic part, this is great for your sales team because as soon as you see there's a peak on this kind of information, you know they're willing to go and buy stuff. Also, traffic sources, as you may notice, they have a lot of direct contact, which means they have an organic marketing standpoint. Then kind of the trend of how they stand for pretty much all they do. Then the LinkedIn follower growth. So they have a quite steady growth, as you may notice. And then there's one of my favorite features, which is the people who actually works on this specific facility. You have the linked information for these folks here at Vermont. You got a great deal here. Go and contact Bob. So that being said, also you can enrich the profile if you're looking for the 10 most valuable contacts for your specific use case. As you just finish and get a whole brief of information that you want to know, just click on this and make a little short list. I will go and make the coffee short list for myself, and also all the Green Mountain facilities can be listed. And that's it. This is a small brief of how to use Index in less than 5 minutes. Bye. See ya.